Special Black Ops. You see it. Let's get it. Cable provider collects user data. We already knew that, right? I was just surprised how much data is collected by the cable and ISPs. So let's dig into the article super quick. FTC ISPs collect and monetize far more user data than you think. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, found that the six largest ISPs in the U.S. collect shared customer personal data without providing them with info on how it is used or a meaningful way to control this process. Of course not, because that's how they profit from your data, right? Many internet service providers collect and share far more data about the customer than many consumers may expect, including access to all their internet traffic, real-time location data, while failing to offer consumer meaningful choice about how the data is being used. This was found as part of a study in 2019 into the privacy practice of U.S. broadband companies and related entities and how they collect and retain, use, and disclose information about customers and their devices. Six broadband providers in the FTC report are AT&T Mobile, Cellco Partnership with Verizon, Charter Communication Operation, Comcast, aka Xfinity, T-Mobile US, and Google Fiber. The FTC also included in the study three advertising entities affiliated with these companies: AT&T, AppNext, Verizon, and Oath America, rebranded as Verizon Media. Together, these six companies control roughly 98% of the nation mobile internet market. FTC also noted that the tech giants have expanded beyond fixed residential internet and mobile internet service into other areas, but including voice, content, smart devices, advertising, analytics services that could further increase the volume of customer data they can that they can collect and share with third parties. So once again, they got your location, your raw data, what you're looking at, where you're looking at it. So it's just a lot of data. Trouble data collection, protection, and sharing practices. Report identifies several troubling data collection practices among several of the ISP, including that they combine data across product lines, combine personal app usage and web browsing data to target ads, placing consumers into a sensitive category such as race, sexual orientation, and share real-time location with data with third parties. A lot of times, Google and all those companies go by the data with the location, and they marry it with the data they have about you. As FTC further discovered, the ISP amassed huge pool of sensitive customer data and used it in ways that customers do not expect and could cause them harm, primarily when classifying them by demographic characteristics, including race, ethnicity, gender, and sexuality. Although many ISPs claim to offer consumer choice, the choice they provide is often a sham, at times nudging them towards even more data sharing. Even though seven of the ISPs promises not to sell consumer personal data, they allowed it to be used, transferred, and monetized by others, hiding disclosures by such practices and fine printing their private policies. For example, several news outlets noted that subscribers' real-time location data shared with third-party customers were being accessed by car salesmen, property managers, bail bondsmen, bounty hunters, and others without reasonable protection of consumer knowledge and consent, according to the report. So they sharing it with the bail bondsmen and the bounty. So if you on the run, they gonna come and get you. Further, because of these problematic practices and protections, they can be at least privacy intrusive as large advertising platforms, given that they have direct access to the consumer's entire unencrypted internet traffic. Even when connecting sites that encrypted their traffic using VPNs, ISPs still can collect the domains the customers connected to and analyze their browser behavior. So even VPN, I mean, it gives you some protection, but it doesn't give you total protection. The FCC needs every tool available to stop cable companies from gouging customers and selling their data. Once again, something super quick. Be careful, your ISP is tracking you.